Hey, Dr. Chris, welcome to the introductory video on the Wobble cushion. Now, the Wobble cushion is this red cushion that's in your bag. You'll be doing this from anywhere from 30 to 60 repetitions twice per day in each of the exercises we're going to go over. The days you're in the office, you only have to do it once a day. The days you're not, the prescription is to do this twice a day. There's 3 specific exercises I want you to do to work on improving your range of motion, both your neck, middle back, and lower back. We're going to show you a couple different ways on how to do this and a couple ways on exactly what not to do. The first exercise is going to be side to side. And what we're going to do here is you're going to side bend each way for me. If you watch Megan here, she's going to side bend and go each way. Now the goal here is she's going to bring her hip to her shoulder to close up that gap. As she stays consistent with this, she's going to increase her speed. And you'll do that from anywhere from 15 to 30 to 60 repetitions based off your own individual care plan. What we don't want to see happen here, there's a couple things that you can actually injure yourself. And the first one will be when you're moving is that you're just moving your head and not your body. Okay, that can put a lot of stress on your neck. The overall goal is to close up the space from each side and then to the other side. And that is one of the best ways you can do that. This will work on improving the range of motion and throughout the neck, the middle back, and lower back. The second one, we're going to work on rotating your spine. So what you're going to do here is you'll take your hands, you'll put them in what I call the genie position, and you're going to turn your head each way as well as your torso, as far as you can to the right, and then as far as you can to the left. As you get more comfortable with this, the overall goal is to work on increasing your speed. And this, once again, will improve the overall range of motion, hydrate the discs, loosen up the muscles. What you don't want to do here, okay, one of the things which we see often is that you'll just move the head without the torso and vice versa. Okay. You'll make sure you move the whole body, okay, or you keep the body square and move the head, or you keep the head square and don't move the body. So you want to make sure you stay consistent, move the body completely, look over the shoulder, and that will work on improving the range of motion throughout. Last but not least, now we're going to work on your front bending and back bending. And what you can do is you can think of the letter C on this one. You're going to turn your body into a C, then you're going to reverse it all the ways out. And same thing here, depending on your repetition and prescription, anywhere from 15 to 60 reps per day. And you're going to take the chin into the chest, all the ways down. See how she's caving in, letter C, and then she's going to fully extend back and a backward C. Okay. What we want to see here over time, consistency. This works really, really well. If you do it too fast, it can make you dizzy, so make sure you watch your speed on this. What you don't want to see here is just moving the neck without the torso or not putting your legs into it. If you're doing it correctly, you're going to see your butt will go back and forth on the cushion because that way she's incorporating her legs into this exercise. And that is Wobble cushion. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to throw me an email or ask me at your next visit.